Honor has increased the battery size on the Honor 10 over the Honor 9, from 3200 mAh to 3400 mAh. While that may look like an improvement, however, it's worth noting that the screen is bigger here, so there are more pixels to power. That said, as with the Honor 9, we've found the phone will generally last a full day on a single charge. We used the device for 10 days at the time of writing, and on the couple of occasions when it didn't last a full day that was with extensive usage. We've yet to use the final software on the Honor 10, however, so we can promise that the battery life will be the same for the handset that goes on sale. We'd prefer the phone to last a little longer. We'd like to tell you that we didn't get the stage where the phone died around 10 p.m., but that did happen on a few occasions, and we'll be sure to test this efficiently at the time of our full review with the final software. The Honor 10 does come with fast charging though, and we found this could fully charge the phone in under 2 hours. This is particularly useful if you need to just pump up your phone with a few hours of charge in half an hour or so. There's no wireless charging on the Honor 10, but that's an extra feature we wouldn't always expect to see on this kind of cheaper flagship device.